Hi, welcome to week 1 of Writing 121. This is Beth, your instructor, and I just want to spend a couple of minutes giving you a preview of what's coming up this week. Remember that on Sunday is June 30th is the last day to receive a full refund. So if you want to get out of this class, you need to do it this week. Then your assignments, you only have 3 basic assignments. One is your forum postings that are due on Wednesday and Friday. Those are introductions of yourself to the class. I'll be posting mine soon. And then you've got a personal narrative that is due on Sunday. All of these assignments have full instructions available here. Then I'd like you also to subscribe to the New York Times. I've given you information on that too. And start looking at the columnists. There are 17 of them. All of them are excellent writers. All of them are different. Each one has his or her own personal viewpoint. Find one. You might want to spend a little bit of time this week. It's not required. Looking around to see which one suits you. You get to choose your own readings for this course. So I am just looking here. You've got the assignments here. If you have any questions, please let me know. I'm here.